Yeah. Then a couple of other things. On the left hand side, you'll see there's a little cross, and you can pop that open, and this is where the various layers that are available are located. Okay. So, and this will grow over time. It's not fixed. As more data becomes available, or we can add that without a problem. And so what you will notice here, you will see on your screen whatever layers are ticked on the side. So if I go and untick land parcel, it will take the land parcel or the cadastre away for you. Okay. If you switch it on again, then obviously it will display, and there's the earth text that will then display. And so any layer that you switch on and off will be removed or added. The data that's provided in here comes from your GIS, it's served directly from your GIS server. Okay, so it's actually not really sitting in our application, it's served directly. We just provide a view to it. And so you will see that we have grouped those. There's a little triangle. You can click on the triangle and it opens and closes these various groups. So CoJ zoning data set, you can click on the triangle and it just opens and closes that for you. If you select these layers, so building, if I do building line, you will notice the building line appearing on the screen as it is being served. Okay. We don't have control over what these layers look like and when they appear and disappear. Okay, so they come straight from your GIS services. And so there's a couple of examples on here. If you there's the street center lines that I know are basically everywhere, and sometimes when the data is too much to see, you can't really distinguish, you can just start switching off some of the existing layers and you can start seeing things a little bit clearer, or changing your background maybe. So that is just what you need to do to be if you switch on all the layers, everything will just come over each other. Okay, so there's contours, street center lines, any river lines available if we zoom out a little bit. And so you can create different views or of the data that is available. Okay.
Can I ask something? I think the column legends, are they exactly the same as GIS?
So this data that's being served out here, okay, that we integrate with, is the rendering is exactly the same as it is provided to us. We don't have control over what that looks like. The only things that I currently have control over is this land parcel layer in terms of styling, if I can call it that, where we can change the styling. Everything under aerials, CoJ, zoning and core is basically as it's given to us.
You know why am I asking? I've been looking with my eyes around.
Yes, no, I'm with you.
I don't see sales.
Sales, no, I'm not doing sales yet at all. Next week.
Oh, but it will be on
Sales will be here, don't worry. Next week,
plotted on the GIS.
plotted on the GIS for you. You'll see where the sales are, different color codes for different values, yes. And lots of flexibility to include customized layers for that. So we're touching on sales next week. Okay. I'm trying to baby steps. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Let's get. So yes, you can switch on and off items, and again, as I've said, as time goes by and more layers become available, this will be added here, especially on the valuation side. As you start having specific, we can include what we call queried layers, so it's custom layers based on your data that can all be incorporated, and we'll show you some examples next week. Okay. Good. Okay, so let me just, let's go, yes.